by and take a look at the 2018 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, fog lights, front stabilizer bar, power brakes, rear stabilizer bar, ambient lighting. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.